Burisma pays Hunter $85,000 a month. He's got no experience in energy business, none whatsoever. He's never been in the energy field, couldn't tell you what it's about. But he's on the board, gets $85 grand a month. Everything's fine and dandy, except one of the lead government prosecutors in Ukraine, Victor Shokin, gets very suspicious as something is going on that's not right. He starts an investigation into Burisma and Hunter Biden. Joe Biden hears about it, goes over to Ukraine, has a meeting with the president of Ukraine, tells the president of Ukraine, you know, you guys have $1 billion in American aid headed your way soon. You want that money? Oh, yeah. Well, then you got to get this prosecutor going after my son fired. You can't do that. Yeah, you can, and you got 6 hours. You want the $1 billion, you got to get rid of that prosecutor. Prosecutor's bad news. You don't believe me? Call the big dog. He'll take the call, meaning Obama. Call Obama, he don't believe me. So, as Biden tells the story, he leaves the office of the president of Ukraine. 6 hours later, gets a phone call. Says, son bitch, prosecutor just got fired. The $1 billion is saved. How do we know? Well, Joe Biden himself told the very story I just told you to the Council on Foreign Relations in the United States. Told them how this happened. Bragged about it. They all at the Council on Foreign Relations laughed and applauded. Point is, though, that this is how